Welcome. In this 5 minutes tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a quick curtain wall in Revit. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to go to Manage, then go to set the units in centimeters. Let's choose centimeters. Now choose 0 decimal and no unit. Now, the next thing is to go to architecture, then I will go to wall. Then I will scroll down and choose the empty curtain wall. Place the curtain wall inside here. And now, what I am going to do is to go to modify and use cut to embed the wall. Select the wall and the curtain wall. And here we go. This is our curtain wall. Let's go to the south elevation to see what we have done. This is the curtain wall that we have created, and it is already embedded in the wall. Let's first of all adjust the elevation markers. And let's put the bubbles on the right side. I'm going to uncheck this one, uncheck, and uncheck this one also. Now I am going to change the heights for these walls from unconnected to level 1. And I will do the same for the curtain wall. Now you see the curtain wall is empty. What we are going to do is to add the grids and the mullions. Let's go to architecture, and first of all let's add the grids. I'm going to add 3 grids inside here. And 2 grids horizontally. Cancel twice to finish. Now let's use the dimension tool in order to adjust the grids. Now I'll pick this one also. Okay, I think this is a mistake. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all correct this mistake. I think I must delete. No, I don't really have to delete this. I'm actually going to bring it back, and instead of deleting, I'm going to edit this dimension. Let's go to edit, put another dimension here, and here we go. All right. I do no longer need these dimensions. Now I'm going to select it and hide it. Now let's go to the mullion and add the mullion. I'll use the first method. Click once, twice, third, and fourth. Or I can simply use the all grids method to put the grids at once. Click, and all the grids will be placed. That's it.